Hello, we are on lesson 28, session 4. Again, we are recognizing and drawing shapes. So in our first page, 699 in our book, if you want to follow along, it shows us an example. So it says, Len draws a shape with 6 sides. Draw a shape that could be Len's on the dot grid below and name the sides and tell the name of the shape. So he could draw it any way he wanted. We could draw it any way we wanted, as long as we put 6 sides. So if you look at our figure, we have 6 sides, and we remember from not yesterday, but the day before, that it's a flat shape. So a 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. So then for our solution, we would write hexagon as our shape.
Okay. So if we look at the first problem for the day, it says draw a shape that has 5 sides. Write the name of the shape. Show your work. So I really could make there are many different ways to draw a 5-sided shape, right? I'm going to decide to choose the easiest way for me. The easiest way for me is remembering a house, okay? So if I were to draw a house, I know that I could do one side here, 2, 3. Oh no, it's not gonna work on dot paper, is it?
It's all right. Just go up a little bit more.
Well,
Go in between.
Okay, let's see if I have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. It didn't work, did it, Mrs. Walker? So that did not work. Is it gonna work? I couldn't make diagonal lines.
Nope. So on this one, we can't do the normal pentagon. So we just have to draw 5 sides instead.
Okay, so let's try again. So I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna try one side, 2 sides, okay. 3 sides, 4 sides, and 5 sides. Does that work?
That works.
To label my sides, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that's our show our work. So now all we have to do put to the side is, what is that shape called?
Pentagon. 5 is a pentagon.
Pentagon, yes.
Okay.
All right, so the next one says solve the riddle. Ooh, all right, here we go. We have to really think about this. I have fewer sides than a pentagon. So we know a pentagon has 5 sides. That's good. That's what I would do. I am not a quadrilateral, right? A quadrilateral has 4 shapes, or 4 sides, I'm sorry. And so what does it have to be? Show your work. So I would just draw it. It can't be 5. It can't be 4. So what's our next one?
3.
3. So we draw 3 sides. Right away, we know we drew a triangle. So that was pretty easy once we thought about it and wrote down what we know, our prior knowledge of what we know, and then we're easy to draw a shape. Very good.
Okay. The last one says, which statement is true? And we're going to be discussing cubes again, okay? So now we're going to make sure we know everything that we've talked about this week. We're putting it all together. Cubes are not solid shapes. A 3-dimensional shape is a solid shape. So, nope, cross it out.
Gone.
Cubes have exactly 4 faces that are the same. How many faces does a cube have?
6. 6 faces. We have to remember that.
Exactly 6 faces that are the same? Yes, that one is right. Cubes have exactly 6 vertices.
Nope, remember they have 8 vertices, so that one's out.
Alma chose D. She said that cubes have exactly 6 vertices. How did Alma get her answer? Well, what do you think she did?
Well, I think she probably just counted the faces instead.
Yeah, and I mean, in my mind, it would be easy to think, oh, well, 2D shapes, they're all the same. If there's 6 faces, then there's 6 vertices and 6 edges. Well, that's not right when it comes to 3D shapes, right? So I
Right.
think she could have done it either one of those ways.
Mhm.
Let's go ahead and just put Mrs. Walker's answer for now. I think Alma counted the faces instead. All right.
Mhm. Perfect. All right, your green pages, 701, 702. There are 2 trues and 2 falses. That's easy for you. On the back page, you're going to draw just like we did, just like Mrs. Croft did on the first one. Remember, if you make a mistake, you erase it and start over. It's okay. All right, so you do that and you are done for today.
Number 5 does have 3 correct answers. So make sure you get 3 answers for that one. Okay, friends?
Perfect.
All right, that's it for today. See you later.